What's up friends, and I'm all come again with another unboxing. Today I'm going to unbox a new pair of shoes from Nike. It's Nike shoes. If you see this box, I bought it from Flipkart. This is a prepaid product, but I tell you the exact price of this product. I bought it of rupees 2199, and let's open the box. So this is the main box. The box is a very good quality box, no dents, no scratches, none other anything of problem in this box was here. And the box was a very premium quality box. The price, let's show the price here. It cost 3,695, but I told you the original price. Nike Revolution 3. The shoe's name is Nike Revolution 3. This is the Nike box. Open the box. Inside the papers. This is the main shoes. This is another one. I'm surprised with the thing that this comes with a premium quality leather. It is not leather actually, it's nylon, where you can, it's for the air passing in your foods to keep dry your foods. Keep dry your foods remain dry. Your foods remain dry. The grip was also very good. Quality was excellent, and color was also premium. So this is an outstanding shoes, and if you see at the price range, at this price range, you can find some other shoes, but not in this type. The grip was very tight. You can't move so much. The grip was really excellent grip. And there is Nike branding. There is also a Nike branding, and here you see the Nike Revolution 3. Nothing is in the soles. Very good shoes. Brought it from Flipkart. Thumbs up Nike.